Hey guys, my next step is to frame the solar kiln. I'm going to do a 2-foot wall on this side, and it's going to be angled at a 45-degree angle up to a 7.5-foot wall on the back side. So I just finished up the framing of the solar kiln. It gives you a good idea of what it's going to look like. It's got a 45-degree angle roof to catch the maximum amount of solar rays going into it. And you can see it's got a really big door, which it'll be double doors opening out. That way you can just bring in the load of wood and set it down without having to fish it through a small door. In the next video I'll be doing the flooring of the solar kiln, and I'll tell you why I did it the way I did. So if you don't want to miss out on that video and upcoming videos of the solar kiln build, make sure that you're subscribed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.